RIT Metals is a clean tech company where we take this leftovers or agricultural waste or industrial waste and use it to some useful materials and create alternative to traditional plastics. Our main mission is to reduce the greenhouse gases and reduce the use of synthetic plastics and use natural materials as much as possible and avoid them from going into landfill or getting burnt. We are off to a new problem solving. 250 million pounds of paper waste is in terms of byproducts are generated each year. Some of it is toxic, and when it is if it is leached into the waterways, it can pose hazard to the aquatic life or animal life. We are in a position to take this material and convert it into useful products, as we have done with some other waste materials. We have the proprietary technology to blend these waste materials into either synthetic polymers or biopolymers. Biopolymers, as of now, are very expensive, ranging from $5 to $25. We can upscale these waste materials and bring the cost down of biomaterials to a comparable and cost competitive to the traditional or synthetic plastics. So far, we have developed our materials are recyclable, they are stronger, and they can be reused. Pollution affects everybody, but it affects more to the low income areas. So we are planning to work with the low income hub zone areas where we can make the maximum impact. This chart shows the main activities that we are proposing in this plan, starting from how to extract the fibers to how to design the new products and finally the applications. We estimate around 8 months for this project from start to finish. The horizontal bars indicates the task and its duration, and the color coding indicates the risk associated with each task. This is a summary of the budget, how we plan or intend to use the funds for hiring, testing, and prototyping. The plastic industry is around $280 billion, and we are targeting $30 billion as our opportunity in packaging, furniture, home and houseware, and agriculture. One of our customers has already expressed interest in using these paper fibers to develop a biodegradable containers for their agricultural applications. We work directly with the manufacturers, brand owners, and some distributors, and we generate our revenue by selling our materials to these brand owners or manufacturers. And this model has worked very good so far for us till now, and we'll continue to use this model. We are a team of 4, but we have a combined experience of over 70 years, and we have experience in polymer science, plastic engineering, and manufacturing and sales. Great Lake Tissue generates over 60 tons of paper waste every week. Considering Georgia Pacific and international papers, probably 100 times more than what Great Lake Tissue generates. And that's our raw material. We are also working with Kettering University in Flint, where we are trying to develop a technology for these paper fibers to convert into useful materials and finally some applications like these containers and the non-food packaging applications. We're looking for opportunities for funding in terms of grants, angels, or VCs, where we'll use these funds to test, prototype, and hire new staff members. And then we prepare for manufacturing after that. We have successfully developed other waste materials like bamboo, rice, coffee, and almond hulls. Now we are up to build up on that success to convert the paper fibers from a local stream in Michigan, and there are other waste streams in Michigan like cherry, potatoes, and develop the waste stream and generate new materials here locally in Michigan. Thank you.